We at Western Drilling are excited to share the story of our latest project in Buckeye, Arizona. This project marks a significant milestone, transforming an underutilized lot into a livable property with reliable water access. Our team drilled a 600-foot well on this newly purchased property, which will support a family home. The water from this well will serve as the house's primary water supply and provide irrigation for potential crops, garden spaces, and water for livestock. One of the main challenges we faced was the site's isolated location, which presented logistical hurdles for transporting our heavy-duty drilling truck and equipment. However, thanks to the expertise and experience of our crew, we were able to execute the operation smoothly and deliver a successful outcome. This project demonstrates our ability to overcome challenging conditions to provide essential water solutions. We take pride in the quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction we bring to every project. This is more than just a well. It's a foundation for a family's future, providing life-sustaining resources and opportunities for growth. We're proud of the Buckeye Breakthrough Well Project and look forward to continuing to deliver innovative and reliable water solutions across Arizona.